Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. How are you today? Let's review first before we go to our another lesson for today. Okay. Last week we studied about the sound of letter O and G. Okay, right. Okay. The sound of UG. What letter is this? O. What letter is this? G. What is the sound of O? A. And what is the sound of G? G. So what is the sound? UG. So let's read the words here. D, UG, dug. J, UG, jog. L, UG, log. Fr, UG, frog. Okay, can you read by yourself? Yes? Yes? Yeah, correct. Yeah? Good job. Now, and another one is the sound of O and B. What is the sound of letter O? O. And what is the sound of letter B? B. So what is the sound of O and B? That is UG. Okay, let's read the words. J, UG, job. S, UG, zub. Okay, now let's go to our new lesson, and that is the sound of letter E and letter G. What is the sound of letter E? A. And what is the sound of letter G? G. So what is the sound of E and G? Egg. The word is, what letter is this? P. What is the sound of letter P? Egg, peg. This one. This is the peg. And here, what letter is this? L. And then what is the sound of letter L? L. Egg, leg. Here is the leg. Then here letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. Egg, bag. Here. This is the picture of bag. And last, here, what letter is this? Letter M. What is the sound of letter M? And then egg, Meg. This girl, her name is Meg. Okay, let's go back over here. What letter is this? E and letter G. What is the sound of letter E? A. And what is the sound of letter G? G. So what is the sound? Egg. The word egg, peg. Egg, leg. B, egg, bag. Egg, meg. This one, look at this picture. See what the man's doing. Yeah, he's crying and kneeling, and then putting his two hands in front of his mouth, and then he's crying so loud. It means this is maybe he's begging something, that maybe he did something wrong. Okay, everybody, let's read the word together. Egg, peg, egg, leg. B, egg, bag. M, egg, meg. Okay, good. Can you read by yourself? Good try. Okay. And here with your book, open your book on page 21. Okay. Let's learn how to read. Here you follow and point. Ned has long legs. He likes to kick with his legs. Dad takes some pegs. He puts them on his legs. Okay, repeat one more time. Ned has long legs. He likes to kick with his legs. Dad takes some pegs. He puts them on his legs. Okay. Do you have pet at home? No, you don't have. But what pets do you like? Okay, the pets like a dog, a cat, a bird, a rabbit. Yeah, that's our kind of pet. Can you make a lion as a pet at your home? No, yeah, you cannot. So only the dog, the cat, the rabbit, yeah, birds, you can make them as your pet. Okay, here. Really? Page 21 again. What is this? Yeah, it's a cat. And this one? Fish and duck and pony. Okay, let's go back to with the cat. Cat begin with the sound of letter C. K, at, cat. And fish begin with the sound of letter F. And that is F, I, sh, fish. And this one is duck. Duck begin with the sound of letter D. D, k, duck. And what is this? Pony. Pony begin with the sound of letter P. P, yeah, pony. Okay? Okay, that's it. And before we go home, what we study again or what we learned today? Yes, and that is the sound of egg. Yeah? Egg, peg. Egg, leg. B, egg, bag. Egg, meg. Good job.